Hey, what is up everyone? Welcome back to our YouTube channel. So for today's video, we're going to talk about Airalo and is it the best eSIM? If you want to know more, just keep on watching the video. So you're traveling soon and thinking, is Airalo really the best eSIM out there? So let's break it down. Airalo is known for having some of the cheapest eSIM plans out there. We're talking $4.50 for 1 gig in Thailand, $5 for 1 gig in Europe, and $20 for 10 gig in the US, all prepaid and no contracts. For short trips or low data travelers, Airalo is hard to beat. Airalo works with 200 plus countries thanks to local partnerships with real carriers. Most users report great speeds in Europe, the US, and Latin America. But in places like Japan, Vietnam, or remote regions, speeds can drop drastically or even fail to connect. The app is clean, quick, and beginner friendly. You can install an eSIM with just a QR code or directly with a tap if your phone supports it. Airla has 24/7 chat support, but here's the truth. Responses can be slow, especially when your eSIM isn't working and you're standing in a foreign airport at midnight. So here's the final verdict. In terms of price, it's the cheapest in the game. In terms of coverage, it's great in major countries. In app experience, it's simple and smooth. In terms of support, can be slow in emergencies. And in terms of speed, it's fast in urban areas. So is Airalo the best? Yes, for budget conscious, savvy travelers sticking to major cities. And no, if you're heading somewhere remote or need flawless support. So that's pretty much it. Thank you very much for watching this video. I hope that you find this video helpful. And if you do, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. Now we'll see you again on the next one. Bye!